Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Navient account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.navient.com/loan.servicing/login. So once you do this, you'll end up in this kind of page. So if you have not created an account, simply tap on the register option, or to log in, simply type in your user ID and your user password. So once you type in both the necessary credentials, you will need to now tap on the login option. So in this way you can simply get logged in or signed in into your Navient account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.